Well, hello. Kev's Railfanning has made a quick run up NB108 and we're now set up in New Denmark, New Brunswick at Tie Camp, where the Napadogan Sub crosses 108 at mile 168.21 to catch CN Z121 for the second time today. It's August 18th, 2025, and the friendly crew will soon be bringing their train around the curve towards us. Relatively new AC 44, C6M 3410 and 3417 are leading the train along with 3098 and mid DPU 3105. With 624 total axles, today's 121 would be over 13,500 feet long. For a few photos of 121 passing Tie Camp, check out the post section on the channel. So let's watch the shiny new leaders around the curve. CN Z121, new power at Tie Camp. Enjoy.
CN foreman Randy Mortimer, 121 calling over.
Good morning. Go ahead, foreman Randy Mortimer.
Good morning, we got the CN 3410, 341 knot. Just coming up at 168 there, we got that next engine north, what's your instruction?
Alright, that's CN 3410, 341 knot, correct, over?
That is correct, and I'm all set to copy.
Alright, here we go. Foreman Randy Mortimer gives instructions to 121, 121, CN 3410, 341 knot. 2 enter and proceed to my entire limits between mile 172, 172, and mile 174, 174 on the Napadogan Sub with no restrictions, over.
Okay, perfect. We got CN foreman Randy Mortimer is given permission to 121, 121, CN 3410, 341 knot. Your entire limits 172 to 172, 174, 174 the Napadogan Sub with no restrictions.
hope you enjoyed the video of seeing Z121 in new power at Tycamp. We will catch the friendly crew on the 121 again in Grand Falls, so check out some photos of them that are in the post section. After that, it's off to St. Hilaire, New Brunswick. Thank you for watching, and until we meet in St. Hilaire, be safe and have a wonderful day.
CN detector, Napadogan 168. No alarms. Temperature 9 C. Total axle 624. Speed 34. Détecteur CN, Napadogan 168. Aucun problème. Température 9 C. Total essieu 624. Vitesse 34.